Want to edit videos like a pro but don't have hours to learn complicated software? Clapperboard, the answer is CapCut, a free, powerful app that lets you create amazing edits in just 1 minute. Here's how. Import your clips and photos, then drag and drop them onto the timeline. CapCut makes trimming, splitting, and rearranging super easy. Want smooth transitions? Just tap transition and choose from cinematic effects that instantly level up your video. Need text or captions? CapCut has auto-captions that generate subtitles for you in seconds. For music, browse its free library or add your own track to set the mood. And here's the best part. With one tap, you can apply filters, adjust colors, and even add AI effects like background remover or auto beat sync. Once you're done, export in high quality and share directly to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. In less than a minute, your simple clips turn into pro-level content. Rock it! So try CapCut today and start editing like a pro, fast, fun, and free. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.